Okay, in this example, again, we're graphing logarithms without the use of a calculator. We want to figure out the domain and range first. Domain. Okay, in this case, remember, domain of vanilla log is x is greater than 0, and we're shifting this graph up. That doesn't affect your x values. It doesn't affect left to right. So x is still going to be greater than 0. That would affect the range, except for the fact that the range for a logarithm is all real numbers. And so an upward shift of 2 is not going to do anything for our range. All real numbers. Also remember that since a vanilla logarithm has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, an upward shift is not going to affect where this asymptote is. It's going to stay right along the y-axis here, and we're going to label that x equals 0. Now what we need to do is make a table for vanilla log base 4. Remember, to choose your x values, you go 1 over the base, 1, and the base. Log base 4 of a fourth is -1. Log base 4 of 1 is 0. Log base 4 of 4 is +1. Now, since we are adding 2 on the outside, that's an upward shift. It shifts up. And up and down shifts affect the y values. So we're going to have to take all those, and since we're going up, we have to add 2. So y equals log base 4 of x plus 2. The new table we're going to get is going to be the 1/4 stays the same, the 1 stays the same, the 4 stays the same. Add 2 to 1, that's a 3. Add 2 to 0, that's a 2. Add 2 to -1, that's +1. And so 1/4, 1 is going to be right about here. We'll label that point 1/4, 1. 1, 2 is right here. We'll label that point 1, 2. And then 4, 3 is going to be right there. 4, 3. And we're ready to draw our graph. And there you have it.